Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, account credentials, and whether two-factor authentication requires an app password. Open Outlook and select Add Account or Manual Setup to start configuring SMTP. Enter your email address and choose IMAP/SMTP or Manual Options. You do this so Outlook can send mail through the correct server. Once done, select SMTP settings, set host to SMTP. Office 365, and choose port 587 with startles to allow encrypted outgoing mail. This avoids delivery failures and secures your password. Now you configure the detailed SMTP fields. In outgoing server settings, type SMTP. Office 365, and pick port 587. Choose startles or TLS for encryption because it secures the connection without blocking most mail clients. Make sure the outgoing server uses the same credentials as incoming, your full email address and password, or app password if you use two-factor authentication. Once done, enable Require Authentication for outgoing mail so the server accepts sends. Save settings and test by sending a short test message to yourself. Finish by sending a test message and confirming it appears in Sent and reaches the recipient. If send fails, first verify your credentials and whether you used an app password for two-factor accounts. Mismatched credentials are the most common issue. Once done, confirm port 587 and startles are set, and check admin policies that might block SMTP relay. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall/antivirus or test alternate port 465. This isolates local blocking versus server-side restrictions and helps you identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.